Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix Bluetooth on Windows 11. First you need to go to Start menu, go to Setting, go to Bluetooth and Devices. Make sure the Bluetooth toggle is turned on like this. Also you have to ensure the device you are trying to connect to your computer is turned on and pairing mode is turned on within range also. You can restart the Bluetooth support services also. Go to search bar, search for Run. Tap on this application, and this application you need to type services.msc and hit enter. You have to scroll down to find Bluetooth support service. It is in here. Double tap on it. So you have to stop that service. It will take small time and again start the application. Just tap on OK, and also again double tap on it and make sure to manual change into automatically. It should be in automatically mode. Again apply and OK. Close this one, and you can remove and repair Bluetooth device. Go to Start menu, go to Setting, tap on Bluetooth and Devices, and once you connect with your device and it is problematic and it can't connect again, you can remove the device from here and then after restart your computer and pair the device again. And you can update Bluetooth drivers. Just close this one, right click on the Start menu, go to Device Manager. In here double tap on the Bluetooth icon, right click on the Bluetooth device, tap on Update Driver and tap on Search automatically for drivers. In my case it is already installed, so I don't have any update. And if it is not working, right click on it, tap on Uninstall and tick this one and tap on Uninstall, and you have to restart your computer. Then it will be automatically install the best driver for the Bluetooth. And then after you have to go to the Action Center. In here make sure your flight mode is turned off. If you see it is like this, that means it is turned on. You have to turn it off, and then after you can turn the Bluetooth on. So if all the methods are not working, you have to update the Windows by just go to Setting and Windows Update. So it will be help to fix the Bluetooth related issues. If you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.